Hello everyone. We are from Group 5. We will present the teaching materials that we have prepared.
Nila and Pima's friendship. Nila is a new student at school. She feels nervous and alone. I have to have friends, Nila sighed. Bima sits next to Nila. Hi, I am Bima. He says with a smile. Nila smile. I am Nila. She replies. During recess, Bima invites Nila to the cafeteria. These are my friends, Bima says. They greet Nila warmly. Nila feels happy. I am not alone anymore. She thinks. She starts to get close to Bima. They like to play together. One day, Bima looks sad. What's wrong, Bima? Asked Nila. I am having trouble studying mathematics, answered Bima. I can help you, Nila says. They study together at Nila's house. Slowly, Bima begin to understand.
Bima feel happy. Thank you, Nila, he sighed. Keep up the spirit, Nila replied with a smile. Their friendship grew closer. Bima invited Nila to play soccer. This is my hobby. Do you want to learn? Bima asked. Yes, I want to try, Nila replied. Nila learned to dribble the ball with difficulty. Don't give up, Nila. Bima said, you can do it. They supported each other. Nila became better at playing soccer. She felt proud of herself. The school held a drawing competition. You can join this competition, Bima said. I'm sure you can win. Nila drew enthusiastically. Her drawing was part her friendship with Bima. She was very proud of the result. Nila and Bima shared stories in class. Friends support each other, Nila said. Helping each other is important, Bima added.
Bima also passed the math exam. This is thanks to your help, Nila. She said they thanked each other. The teacher praised Nila and Bima friendship. You help each other. You are good example, she said. Nila and Bima share stories in class. Friends support each other, Nila said. Helping each other is important, Bima added. All the friends clapped. They were inspired by Nila and Bima. Their friendship became an example at Nila and Bima continued to study together. They also often played ball together. Their days were always fun. Bima always cheered up Nila when she was sad. Nila also always helped Bima. They were true friends. One day, a new friend joined them. Nila and Bima welcomed her warmly. They wanted all the children to feel accepted. The new friend name was Sari. Sari loved playing with Nila and Bima. The three of them became best friends.
Their friendship grew bigger. They helped each other all the time. School becomes a fun place. Nila smiles singing her friends. Friends make life more beautiful. She thinks. She feels very grateful. Nila, Bima, and Sari well together. They laugh and share stories. Their friendship will last forever. Bima learns to value time. Bima woke up lazily. His alarm clock ran loudly, but has just turned it off and turned it over. Ah, it's still early, he mumbled. He fell back into a deep sleep.
When Bima woke up again, he was startled to see the clock on the wall. Oh no, it's already 6:45. He thought school start at 7, and his house is quite far from the school. Bima hurriedly got dressed and ran to the kitchen. His mother had prepared breakfast, but Bima only managed to swallow a few bits before running out of the house. He ran as fast as he could, hoping to get school on time. However, Fad had other plan. In the middle of the road, Bima fell and twisted his arm. The pine pierced his leg, making it difficult for him to walk. Bima sat down by the roadside despairing. Why am I always late? He remembered his mother's mistake. Wherever you go, never be late. Bima recorded his necklace. Fortunately, there was a pedicab driver passing by. Bima asked for help to be taken to school. The rickshaw driver kindly took Bima, even though he had to struggle hard to pedal the rickshaw up the steep road. Bima arrived at school just as the bell rang. He was panting, sweat shaking his body. His homeroom teacher was already in the classroom, and all the students were sat neatly.
Bima arrived at school just as the bell rang. He was panting, sweat soaking his body. His homeroom teacher was already in the classroom and all the students were sat neutral. Bima apologized to his teacher for being late and explained what happened. His teacher understood and let Bima enter the class. Since that day, Bima promised never to be late again. He learned to value time more and always strive to be punctual in everything. However, all habit they hurt. A few days later, Bima was late again. This time, he was late because he was interested in playing games on his phone and lost track of time.
Sorry, sir, Bima said, pulling his hat as he entered the classroom. His teacher just shook his head and advised Bima not to be late on the following days. Then he asked Bima not to repeat his mistake.
From that moment on, Bima tried to be more disciplined. He organized his schedule well, noting down all the tasks and activities he had to do. He also tries not to play games for too long and always reminds himself of the importance of following time.
Gradually, Bima managed to change his bad habits. He became a diligent student and was always on time. His friends were also amazed by Bima's change in attitude. Bima finally realized that discipline and following time are the keys to achieving success in life. One day, Bima was elected class president. He felt proud and responsible for his mistakes. He is determined to lead the class well and be a role model for his friends. Bima always strives to be punctual in leading class meetings, completing group assessment, and participating in extracurricular activities. He also became a more responsible person and learned to value time. He also always reminds his friends to value time and not be late. Thanks to his diligence and discipline, Bima success in become a good class president and was respected by his classmates. Bima proves that change can happen if we are willing to strive and are determined to become better. Bima proves that change can happen if we are willing to strive and are determined to become better.